Hi, good day, learners. In our lesson today, we are looking at partial variation and it is life application of partial variation. All right, let's consider this question. The cost of making a dress is partly constant and partly varies with the amount of time it takes. So the amount of making a dress is partly fixed, but then the time it takes to make that cloth determines what the real price would be. If if it costs $27 to make a clothes in 3 hours and $31 when it takes 5 hours to make a clothes. Find the cost when it takes an hour and a half to make. So when you take 1 hour and a half to make a dress, what will be the cost? We are going to be using the parameters present in the equation, which is 31 and 27, to solve for 1 hour and a half. So the first thing we do is to extract our parameters, the cost and what? The time. So let's use C for cost and then T for time. All right. Now the question says the cost of making a dress is partly constant. I'm going to say the cost is equal to a constant. Choose any constant variable of your choice. I will use A. Okay. And partly varies with the amount of time. So it varies partly with the amount of time. All right. Now the next thing I want to do is to remove this proportionality. I'll have C to be equal to A plus, remove proportionality, put plus, then introduce another constant variable, which is, let me use B. All right. So we must have two constant variables and then the parameters in consideration. So we formed our equation. Now let's extract all that we have. If the cost of 27, so we have C, 27. When the cost is 27, it takes 3 hours. So T is 3. When it costs $31, when C is 31, it now takes 5 hours. Then time is what? 5 hours. So we are going to be solving simultaneous equations. So let's substitute this information in this formula, the two of them differently in this equation, and then we solve for A and B to get the relation of the variation first. So when our C is 27, we have 27 equals, we don't know our A, it is constant, plus B. We don't know our B, write it down. What is our time? 3. Then do the same thing for this. When we have 31, bring your A down, B, our time is what? 5. So let's open the brackets. We have 27 equals A plus 3B. 3 times B is 3B. 31 equals we have A plus 5B. So this is a simultaneous equation. We are going to be solving it simultaneously. So we are eliminating. Let us subtract equation 2 from equation 1 from equation 2. I'll subtract this guy from this guy because this is smaller parameters than this. So 31 minus 27 will give us 4. A minus A is 0. 5B minus 3B is 2B. Then to get 4, we divide both sides by 2. 2 takes away 2. So our B is 2 because 2 divided 4 is 2. Now that we have gotten B, let's get the value of A because we need to get the two constants. So to get the value of A, substitute B in equation 1 or equation 2. Let me use equation 1. Equation 1 says 27 is equal to A plus 3B. So anywhere you see B, you put 2 there. Therefore, I have 27 equals A plus 3 into 2. Then multiply. We have 27 equals A plus 6. Collecting like terms, we have 27 minus 6 equals A. Therefore, A is 21. So we have gotten both B and A, which are the variables or the constants of the relation. So the next thing we are going to do is to form a formula, make a formula using A, 21, and B, 2. So just substitute them in the equation. So we have C to be equal to 21 plus 2T. So this is what helps us to find the cost of making a dress against the time. the cost of making a dress against time. So we've gotten the two constants. Now let's see. We are asked to find the cost when it takes 1 hour 30 minutes. That's 1.5 hours. So convert 1.5 hours into an improper fraction. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, 3. So we have 3 over 2. Now what we use is 3 over 2 to solve. So to get the cost, substitute 3 over 2 for t in this equation. So we'll have c to be equal to 21 plus 2 into 3 over 2. Then we can simplify here. 2 we take away 2, we have 3. So we have c to be equal to 21 plus 3. C will be equal to 24. So it takes $24 to make a clothes in 1.5 hours. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like this video and then share it to your friends and follow for more interesting mathematics tutorials. See you in my next video. Bye.